We continue with the driving lessons, number 73, whatever, 0.75. How are you feeling about today? This is the first time you are driving in the road, on the road.
It's not the first time. It's just first time in a while.
What do you mean, first time in?
I used to drive on the road like that in upstate, but it was like 2 years ago.
Oh, so this is a student who has been driving 2 years ago, but
A little bit.
for some reason did not go to take driver license. Funny, right?
But I always had permit.
Uh-huh. For 1 year, and then what do you do? Well,
Yoshi, can you watch the roads?
yeah, I'm watching the roads. I'm watching for you to be in the focus, because this camera, it's attached to a cable which I cannot get the right. Okay, so here we are. This is the road that we are driving into. There's lakes, there's forest, there's very few cars. There are not so many cars here, and it's beautiful. And all right, this is how it is outside in the driving lesson 7.3. And here we are again. You can share your experience now with the camera. You can say it. How you feel about this driving experience?
Good.
It is. We can hear you.
I feel good.
You don't look like very good.
Because you're distracting me.
I am distracting you all the time. But you have to say to this people that are watching this video how you feel as a new driver that has problems. Where is your problem? Where is the hardest thing to do?
You.
Me?
Yes.
I mean the driving, not me. I'm out of the driving.
The roads are... The road is very curvy and sometimes steep.
The roads.
And there are a lot of potholes too.
I see. The roads are the problem, I see.
For me, maybe other people don't even feel it.
Well, just a good perspective.
I'm just used to drive in our neighborhood with perfect roads, very, no potholes, very low speed limit.
That's not true. Our neighborhood does not have perfect roads.
They're good roads, no?
I don't know.
Speed bumps, a couple of them, but you can see them from distance.
How nice is it today on the lake? This is the lake, by the way. This is not. This is the lake. Tiramisu Lake.
Tiorati.
Tiorati. This is Titorati. 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 Titorati Tiramisu. Titorati Lake. And the driver, let's see if the driver holds the wheel correctly. Yes, it is correctly. You can just go back and sit on the,
О, ежик, а я там не хочу уже водить.
All right, that is fantastic. What do you mean?
I see a bunch of science and I'm already...
Sciences?
Yeah.
You see the sciences?
Can you let me know where I can... О, там этот круг будет.
Yes, that's right. We have to go in the circle now. All right, we have 4 minutes video driving experience for 4 minutes. There of course there are some people here in the park. Wow, I can zoom with this thing. My camera has a zoom. Wow. All right.
Which way we're gonna go?
Well, we don't know. Straight forward.
Right?
Well, you...
Where it says road closed?
Not really. We cannot go through the barrier.
There's no barrier over there.
All right. Okay, let's go there. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. It's a road closed, but we can still go through the thing. You want to go through the thing? Huh?
Да.
Or you can go just straight to the Seven Lakes Drive.
Туда?
Yes, let's go there.
Okay.
You see, limited for the season highway. Okay, watch out, watch out. You can do one full circle, okay, if you want to.
No, thank you.
Oh. All right. So now we go to this. This is called the Seven Lakes Road. Wow. I want to express how I feel about this. It's wonderful when you don't drive the car, when you are on the passenger seat. That is a good feeling. To have someone to do your job. Yes, yes, yes. What is it?
Можно уже pull to the side?
Huh? Why you want to pull on the side? What is the problem?
My shoes are very uncomfortable and I don't feel...
Your shoes?
Da.
Okay, so next time, guys, when you go to driving lessons, get the comfortable shoes.
Yeah, I need sneakers, something
Sneakers, yes.
Because I can't
Like
feel...
these are good, right? These are very good.
I can't feel pedals.
That's a good tip. Get the comfortable shoes next time when you drive. When you're on your driving lesson, that should be by default. Comfortable clothing, comfortable
They're very
shoes.
comfortable, but their soles are too thick. And I can feel they're stiff, you know?
Okay.
They're good for walking, they're good for mountains, but they are not very comfortable for driving.
Okay. I want to tell you a story now in our video. You know, when I drive after 12 hours, you know what I do? I take off my shoes, I take off my socks, and I drive barefoot.
Yeah.
That's a good gimmick. And then I go on the street with my feet with no shoes and no socks, and I step on the street and I walk around. And that activates my nervous system in a very special way. You're connecting to the Mother Earth, and the elves are coming, and the fairies, and you're connected to Gaia. Do you understand? When you connect to Gaia, and Gaia is talking to me and say, Ivan, there is another passenger coming, okay? Put your shoes and go to push the button that say, take this ride. All right. Okay, that is we are very smooth today. 7 minutes in the video. We are very smooth. I hope. Well, I like these driving lessons in the park better than the one around these buildings, these ugly environment called.
It's beautiful too.
Yeah. You cannot compare this with that.
Could you please let me know where I can pull to the side?
Well, when there is a area comfortable. Oh, we can go to this little road. Wow, what a beautiful little road here. Well, you have to look for a parking spot, available parking spot. Kind of. Wow, the river, the little rivers. You are too much to the side. Okay, you are driving too right. You go in the center, please.
Okay.
This is too much. I mean, it's okay, but alrighty. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. And what else? You know, and we're gonna give you more of these driving lessons stuff. All right. There's a beautiful subject here. The driver, we have a beautiful subject here on training. She is very shy and timid, and she cannot be a good driver, but we're gonna train her. She's been also had a little fear of driving for the last 20 years or 5 years, I don't know.
All the time.
She's 16 years, she's 20 years old now, so that cannot be too much, but she has fear of driving, and a lot of people do have fear of driving, especially girls and the women, and they cannot overcome this fear. So how you overcame this fear of driving? Hello?
You helped me. I don't know how.
How? By practice. That's it. You know, I told you the rule. What is the rule to overcome the fear? You don't remember? Please.
I don't know, face your fear?
No. Practice every day and make it your own. right? If you practice everyday driving, you're gonna make it your own. You're gonna feel driving. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
That's it. That's the rule.
Jerzy, can you see?
Okay, here you see, yeah, you see, it's like a huge place to park. You can give the signal. Okay, now we can. All right. Oh, there is a parking spot here. Let's make it. Let's make it. You see? Oh, wait a minute. They closed it. Okay, but we can still park here, right? We can jump over the rocks. Okay, that was it.
Сколько минуточек Jerzy катался?
Well, just the